Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and my project partner is Malaika. We both are final year AI students at ComStats University, Attic. Today, we're proud to introduce CyberShield, our capstone project in AI-powered social media platform that detects and prevents cyberbullying in real time. Every day, millions experience online harassment via posts, comments, and private messages. Current platforms only react once abuse is reported. CyberShield flips that model. We use XML Robertet for real-time multilingual text analysis and Google Gemini API for image moderation. As users type or upload, our AI flags harmful content before it's ever published. Secure sign-up and login. First, users register and authenticate via JWT tokens, guarding against bots and fake profiles. Create post with mood tagging. Comment and chat moderation. All comments and direct messages are filtered on the fly. Abusive text is blocked, and users receive instant, friendly prompts to revise. CyberTool Content Cleaner. Finally, paste flag text or upload images to our CyberTool. The AI suggests a clean rewrite, teaching positive communication. In our tests, we achieved over 90% detection accuracy and cut manual moderation by 70%, all with sub-2-second response times. Next, we'll add voice analysis, push notifications, and a community appeal system. Thank you for watching. CyberShield Proactive AI for a kinder internet. Visit our GitHub or contact us at ComStats to learn more.